Good morning guys, welcome back to One Life. You join me today from the inside of the Vauxhall Astra 1.4 turbo. This is a Mark 6 model, a 2010 I think, and we're going to do a few service bits on it today, starting with the air filter. Dead easy job, again something you can do it yourself if you drive at home. And start off simply by popping the bonnet. So we'll switch cameras, I'll show you how to get the bonnet open, and then we'll have a look under the bonnet and suss how to do it. Right, so before we get out, on the driver's side, this is a right-hand drive model, UK spec. Driver's side, we've got a little clip down here to pop the bonnet, but I'm sure most of you know this already. So pop the bonnet open and get out now and have a look under it. Open, the hook up. Right, tiny little thing, 1.4 Ecotech, a turbocharged one this, which you need if you're considering buying one of these. Do not buy the standard 1.4. Not enough power for the size of the car. So in here we shall have an air filter. So first thing I'm going to do is disconnect this pipe here and free it up and take this electric connection off. So you've got an air mass sensor connector here that is simply just a case of doing this little tab. Sometimes you just squeeze and pull off. So the little yellow bit pops out like that, and then I should be able to pull it off. It is coming, it's just really stiff. Right, so that's the air mass sensor off. There's a little clip here connecting the wire to plastic, so pull that out of the way, stick it there, and then we've got a flathead screwdriver. Maybe do both or just one end and pull the pipe out the way of the air box. And then we just need a fillet screwdriver, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 screws. Yeah, 5 screws, which will pull this lid up, hopefully revealing the air filter. So I'll go and get some tools and we'll get that on. Right guys, so we took this intake pipe off, just undid that end for it. Pulled it off. It's just a flathead screwdriver on a Jubilee clip, or you can use a little, I think it's an 8mm socket on him as well, on a 6. I've gone round and undone all the fillet screws on the outside of this air box. So literally pull it up like that. Check inside here, make sure it's clean and stuff. It all looks tidy, to be honest. So that's good there. Be gentle with the box because the air mass sensors in it, you don't want to bang it around. Have a look at this filter. Now, correct me if you know better, but I think this is a K&N filter. Seems like a good quality one, but it's a bit dirty. Seen better days. A few bits in there, probably best get an Hoover in there first. So I won't bore you with that. Give it a clean out now and get the new filter in. So with our new filter, brand new, it's just a Euro parts filter, a Crossland one. They do the job. Just literally plonk it in. And it really is as simple as that. Make sure it's in properly and square. Get your lid and place it back on. All you got to do is make sure that the lid goes on properly and sits on true, so it seals it right. You don't want any air gaps in this. And just make sure everything's clean around it and inside of it. There's not really much more to this, so all I'm going to do now, put the fillet screws back in around the outside, there, and just drill. I'll screw. Don't drop screws though, because then you have to find them. So I'm going to go around, stick all them in, screw them tight. Let's stick this pipe back on the end here, tighten up this Jubilee clip, and that is about it for an air filter change. So again, this is part of a service, so I'm not going to put this on video, but what I will do is I'll go through all the fluids. So I'll check the brake fluid, check the coolant and make sure it's got antifreeze in it, especially with winter coming up. The washer fluid, I know that's low because it's showing up inside the car and the dash, so we'll fill that up in a second. A bit of screen wash, things like power steering fluid too. Obviously oil, but we're doing an oil change in another video, so we'll get to that. Just generally make sure everything's topped up and your car's in good stand for winter. Other than that, for this video, that is about it. That is how to change the air filter on a Mark 6 Vauxhall Astra, and this one specifically is the 1.4 turbo. Guys, my name's Sam Clark, you're watching another One Life tutorial. Thank you if you're new to the channel and subscribed recently, and if you are thinking about it, hit that sub button, show some support. There's lots more content to come. Thanks for watching, I'll see you again soon, peace.